Pointers and array names are closely related. Array name contains the address of first element in the array. So if we have an array of 10 elements, so this address of this first element is contained in this array name. So ARR is pointing to the first element of this array. So we can use it to initialize a pointer. Since this name contains the address of first element, we can assign it to a normal pointer, and we don't need to use the AND operator, that is the address of operator. But there is a difference. Unlike normal pointers, we are not allowed to modify it. So a normal int pointer can also contain the address of first element if this is an int array. And this ARR is also internally containing the address of first element. But there is a difference. So the similarity is that both are holding the address of first element, but the difference is that here now we can assign a different value to P. So after some time we can assign a new value to P. Let's say I want to assign it to third element. Then we can do that. So this pointer can be modified to point to some different address. But if we do something like ARR equal to some other address or some other value, let's say some integer k, then this will throw an error because we cannot modify it. It will always point to the first element. We can use pointer arithmetic to access all the elements of an array. So let's take an example. Here ARR is an array of integers of size 10. So this is ARR. This is index 0, 1, and the last index is 9. And we create one integer pointer P and assign it ARR. But we know that this array name contains the address of first element. So this means that P is pointing here. Now we iterate this loop 10 times and we print the address of every element. So first time P is here, so it will print the address of this. Let's say the address is 100. So next would be address 104 because integer takes 4 bytes in memory. So starting here it will take 4 bytes, then again 4 bytes and so on. So here this integer pointer will help it in doing the pointer arithmetic. This we call any operation, any arithmetic operation that we do on the pointer, we call it pointer arithmetic. So here we are incrementing this pointer by 1. So it will automatically advance by 4 steps, 4 bytes, because it knows that it is an integer and it would occupy 4 bytes in the memory if it started from 100. So it will now point to, so first it will print 100 and then it will advance to 104. In the next iteration, when I is 1, it will print 104 and again advance by 4 steps to 108, and next time it will print this. So every time it will print an address which is 4 more than the previous address. And if we want to print the element at that position, we could have dereferenced it. Dereference it, then increment the pointer. So let's see this example in the Xcode. So I have already written the code. So I am creating one integer array of size 10, and then this int pointer is pointing to the first element, and we are incrementing this pointer every time and printing it. So let's run it. So now this first element address is this 640. So these previous values are common to all of these, only the last 2 digits are changing. So let's focus on the last 2 digits. So first element is at address 40 then 44, then 48. So it's incrementing by 4. Then in hexadecimal, 4C means C means 12. So 12 plus 4. So here you can see 0, 4, 8, then C means 12. And then here it increases by 1, so it's 16. And then here it's 0, so 16. So again it increases by 4. So every time it will increase by 4 because integer occupies 4 bytes in the memory. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.